guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today I am going to make a HelloFresh meal, and I'm going to be making a Lemony Parmesan shrimp salad. Another salad, imagine that. They're easy, they're quick, they're fresh, they're delicious, they're all of that, so why not? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is season it with some garlic powder. Next, we're going to do salt, pepper, we mix all this up. Next, we drizzle some of the olive oil onto the pan, a good amount, and then half of the roasted garlic butter. So right there is about half. By the way, these are some new pans that my husband bought that I am cooking on. So now that it's all melted, we're going to add in the shrimp. Now we are going to cook this for 3 to 4 minutes until it looks opaque. I don't know what's happening here, but this is not heating up the way I want it to. Wow, these smell really, really good. Okay, so the next step is that we're going to transfer these to a plate, but we're going to leave the butter in here. Okay, let me finish transferring these to the plate, and I will be right back. By the way, the plate is over there. I didn't realize you guys couldn't see. So this is basically, I don't know why I can't speak with these braces and rubber bands. Basically what I'm doing. So now we're going to add the rest of the garlic butter into the pan. And once it is melted, we're going to put the baguette bread face down right onto the butter. And we're going to let it cook on medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Echo, 3-minute timer, please.
3 minutes, starting now.
And what I'm going to do as well is press it down so that it can get crunchy. Look at that. How delicious that looks. Smells delicious. So I'm going to do the back just a little bit, and then I'm going to transfer them to this plateau. Plateau is plate in Spanish. So now we're going to cut the lettuce, or maybe tear it apart. No, I'm gonna cut it. So we're going to cut And I don't think it said cut. I think it said chop. Chop the lettuce, not cut. I gotta get my terminology correct. Whoops, one just popped out of here. And now we are going to grab all of this and throw it into, let's take this ugly little piece out. And throw it, hang on, because you guys can't see what I'm doing. We're going to throw it into the bowl. Okay, so I won't bore you with cutting the other one. So when this one's cut, I will come back on and show you the next step. So now the next step is making the salad dressing, and in here I have poured the Greek vinaigrette and the mayonnaise. And now we whisk it. Next, I'm going to cut the tomatoes. So this salad is going to be one for my son Joshua and the other one for my husband. I will or will not eat, and if I do eat, I will just quickly make myself some avocado toast. And James did not want to eat this, so I don't know what he's going to eat. He's going to have to think of something, or we're going to have to come up with something, but he's an awesome cook. I don't know if I've told you guys that before. He's an awesome cook. Sometimes I think better than me, but don't tell him that. So he'll probably whip something delicious. A little story, sometimes when I get home from work and I walk in, the house smells amazing. And you know why? It's because he cooked. He's an awesome cook. He really, really, really is. Next, it says to cut up the lemon into wedges. And I like to remove all of the seeds. Funny story, has nothing to do with the video, but I remembered because I said the be right back a little. So I said that, the BRB, I'll be right back, a little while ago. So I go to James, James, BRB, and he's like, you don't even know what that means. And I'm like, oh, really? I go, I do know what that means. And he's like, what? I said, it means be right back. And he was like, oh, damn. Maybe my mom is cool after all. I doubt it, but hey, I tried. Anyways, I thought I'd just tell you guys that funny story. Okay, so we're adding in the cheese. Next, we're going to add in the croutons, and I'm going to kind of cut this one because it's kind of big. So we add in the croutons. Okay, so over here I've divided the shrimp so that each of them get equal amount of shrimps. And basically it's 15 and 16 because there is not an even number. So there's 31 pieces, so I had to divide it like that. You know that I'm gonna end up tasting my husband's salad, right? Because this looks mighty delicious. Okay guys, so let me know if you end up making this recipe. I am going to try, if I remember, to add it to the end of this video so that you guys have all of the ingredients that you need to get. And hang on. So this is how I am serving it, with the two little breads on the side. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious?
Nice.
Alrighty guys, bye again. I'm back again because I forgot to show you this sauce that it came with. Tangy and fiery mayo. So you can also drizzle this on top. I think this is more for the shrimp. But yeah, it brought this as well. So, alrighty, this time is goodbye for real. I promise. I am literally sweating bullets. This menopause has been kicking my butt. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys. Love you all. Something's wrong up here. I don't know. Bye. I really hope you guys like my silliness.